This could be bad. I have no idea where I am.
Oh, come on, Cole.
There's no way he should have been this long.
Something's not right.
Dale, I'm not seeing him.
Me neither.
You seriously don't know where we are?
Everything looks the same out here.
Come on, there you go.
Grizz and I know this is serious. We gotta get him out of there.
Let's go find Cole.
I could be in a lot of trouble.
It was 2 points on the solenoid, wasn't it?
Oh, it's an old trick that I learned from Dad.
Dale, stop! Don't go any further that way.